Chinese New Year in 5 words. The Spring Festival, or Chinese New Year, is the most important holiday in China. Let's dive into how Chinese people celebrate this special time of year.
团圆
Family reunion is the heart of the Spring Festival. No matter how busy people are, they always find their way home to be with their loved ones.
拜年
Paying New Year's visits is a traditional custom. Younger generations visit and pay respects to their elders, wishing them good health and prosperity. In return, the elders give red envelopes filled with money, symbolizing good fortune for the year ahead.
守岁
Staying up late on New Year's Eve is a way to welcome the new year. Families gather together, staying awake until midnight.
包饺子
Making dumplings is a fun and delicious part of the celebration. Dumplings are a symbol of wealth and reunion.
放烟花
Setting off firecrackers is all about excitement. The loud bangs are believed to drive away evil spirits and bring good luck. It's a fun and noisy way to welcome the new year. If you are interested in having your kid learn Chinese online, sign up for a free trial class by leaving a comment below, and we will contact you as soon as possible.